Good afternoon all, we're just inside the M25 at Heathrow working on this lovely Range Rover Sport this afternoon. It's having a 3-stage carbon clean. Unfortunately got problems with the EGR. Explained to the customer that carbon clean can't guarantee to clean out the EGRs. We have had good results based on using the 3rd stage chemical. Because this helps to dry out the carbon before we put the hydrogen in it. But this one's not looking 100% promising. I've got to be honest on it. It might be good after a drive, it might not. But cold harsh reality is that a carbon clean is always good, even if you do have to have the EGRs replaced, because at least we're cleaning out the engine first, making sure that any gunk that's in the engine isn't going to end up on the new EGR valve if it does need one, and damaging that. So this service is £149.99. You can call us up for advice, get us booked in. Telephone number is telephone number is 01293 769495. You can always give us a shout on messenger as well. Or send us an email using probably the best email address is info@carbon-cleaning.co.uk. Have a great day.